we worked out last time we definitely need mic setups for the helmet because the audio is pretty bad a lot of the time. And when you're riding along, it's just picking up the noise from the bikes. And obviously we're trying to talk to each other and you can't hear anything over the brub, 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 brub. So, what you're going to need is your helmet, which this is nice and brand new. Box fresh. Looks shiny,
good colours.
Good colours.
Good colours.
Your GoPro with a new sticky pad. This is the one that's all curved.
The curved one?
Yeah.
Yeah, the square, straight ones don't work very well on curved helmets.
They just sort of stick like a little 10mm square in the middle and then they're pretty dodgy.
Yeah.
GoPro, microphone, which that's the shortest one I could find, which is a metre? So, or maybe like 800? Oh no, that's a metre.
That's a metre, isn't it?
Yeah. That's a metre. GoPro adapter, mic adapter, which is like the little USB end onto a 3.5mm jack, and then some tape to sort all the wiring out in the helmet. So I'm going to put the mount on this side, so the camera on this side, and then run the cable inside take this out, put the mic somewhere around here, but maybe behind, so then you don't get all the wind noise. So it'll go in there somewhere. First things first, these aren't the 3M mounts either. I think that'll be good.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
That's just red, blank.
Why are you going on this side?
Mainly because the rip and roll goggles are on this side, so it might interfere if you like rip and roll.
Well, you're going to be covering the camera, aren't you, for one? So.
Yeah, I think this side will just work better for what we need.
Cool.
To line it up, I've got this edge to line it on, which is pretty handy. I'll take that off now. Will that ever come off?
No.
Never ever?
No.
Right. Phase number 1 done. So next we're going to pull the lining out, which is quite easy, it's just on poppers. Easy.
Yeah.
Poppers, not Velcro.
Real nice.
There we go.
That's easy.
That's easy.
So you're just going to run the cable just externally?
Yeah.
Round and up?
Wrap this cable up and stick it to this inside, like around there, and then the mic will sit something like that behind the padding then.
Yeah.
Or maybe somewhere like that.
It's omnidirectional mic, isn't it? So you want to be pointing it out whatever's making the noise.
And then, so that can go like that. I can stick that in place. Then this, we just have to wrap around a few times, put some tape on, stick it out along there, tape it, and then check if it all works. It's just fixed then and it won't fall out or anything. Know what I mean?
I just thought you can probably hear the dog snoring.
Oh yeah.
I bet they're thinking, what's that noise? That's what that noise is.
Then take that in and it's out of the way. That's coming out there, which can then get taped.
Yeah, that's loads.
Something like that.
Yeah. Like Christmas wrapping.
Yeah, getting it all ready.
For some reason these adapters, you'd obviously have your camera mounted that way, but the adapters come the wrong way up.
The actual GoPro one comes straight out though.
That's even worse.
Yeah, which would be really annoying. I think
But you can invert these, can't you? So you can record them upside down, but it records the right way. It doesn't really help the situation.
Right, let's have a look. I had to adapt this by drilling the side out. Because I think the only ones you can get are like a skeleton, so you don't get it so it's protective on the front.
Yeah,
Which
I've got
would be-
one of them. It's just like a side frame,
Yeah,
so it's
and then it's got a big hole in this side.
just this part, the top and the other side, and then it all clips down here.
But then for like off-roading,
Yeah, you'll get
that
covered in mud
lens
and
would be
it'll
like
be
ruined.
trashed.
GoPro is in there.
Cable's looking a little short now. It's in.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
Come on. Short or
Perfect.
perfect.
Let's get the cushion back in, and then do a test clip, so you can hear the difference in the sound.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Doom 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 doom
Crystal Meth?
doom.
Got one.
Yes. Hey, is that it?
No, one more.
Oh, that's got to be easy now. They're both in, so it should be lined up.
Yeah, that's all right. Right, let's try it.
Okay.
We're going live to the GoPro. Where is that going to go? Broop, broop.
Yeah, it's pointed down quite a lot, but that's too high. Yeah.
Just right.
No. But it'll do.
We're doing it. Helmet mic check. 1 2. 1 2 testing.
There's only noise cancelling on it,
No.
so we'll pick everything up.
Yeah.
So
It should hear you as well.
we'll be able to hear the difference between this camera and your camera.
Yeah.
The dog walking behind us, get
Oh, Brian. So that's how you mount a mic in your helmet. And then just give it a play around with that. And then just tighten them. Tighten, tighten. All done.